This brush is hard. This is our brush cleaner. We really wanted to demonstrate this to you, so we let these dry up. You can see this already starting to loosen up and starting to let that paint go. So it's already softening. Look, it's already got the brush where I can bend it. And that was as hard as a brick. Look at that. It just starts loosening that paint immediately. All this is beginning to roll off. You see that? It's rolling off that was hardened on the outside of the hairs. Just rolling that off. Just look at that. Just continues to keep taking that paint out. This was really loaded up with paint, and I asked her to let it just dry up in the brush. It leaves them very soft and supple, and that's what you need to make this a lifetime tool, and that's what you're going to get. So let's show you this thing finished up here. Here we go. Now it's finally rinsing clean. Here's the cleaned brush. You wash your brushes after use and you take good care of them, and you're really getting the core of the brush clean. You're not seeing any stiffening in there. You don't need the cleaner if you feel like you're getting a good thorough brush cleaning, but it makes it so easy whenever you take a brush that is wet to the sink. Just makes that paint just pour out of it. So it's 16 ounce, so you're going to get pennies per time to use this. So it's really going to condition your brush, keep it looking great, and also make sure the core of that brush gets cleaned out. Again, it's no smell to it, so it's not any kind of anything that's harmful for you to breathe, touch, and handle, or harmful for your pipes. So that's another good thing about it. It is a water-soluble product without any smells. So I hope you check it out.